So in this video, I'll be teaching you on how to customize your Substack. So first, you need to access any search engines or web browser, but in this case, I'm going to use Google Chrome because it is much convenient on my end. And after that, you'll be going to access their website via substack.com and make sure to log in using your credentials for you to able to access your account. And after that, you will see this page, and for you to able to customize it, you could actually go to the profile section, which is actually located at the top right corner of your screen. Once you click on that, you just have to hover on the settings. And as you can see right here, you could actually edit your email and your username as well. And you could also create another publication and edit your subscriptions as well. You could also customize your notifications, whether it is on engagement and messaging, as well as the connections and etc. Also, you could customize your content preference and toggle on the ones that you wanted to toggle in. And after that, also you'll be able to customize your privacy settings as well as your security. And then you could also go to your home section or homepage, and you could actually scroll down some readings right here, and you could actually visit your dashboard in order to check your dashboard, and you could also start publishing or writing. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe so you never miss a new video.